Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 4F Homework Vehicle. So, if you want to complete my IT Lab course Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So, I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So, you can see the another assignments course 94, 100, 94, and 99, 95, 92%. So, I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So, Excel 4F homework vehicles. Open the Excel 4F vehicles. So Excel chapter 4 homework vehicle and go 22 Excel chapter 4 graded 4F homework vehicles. Download the materials and download the all files. Go to the downloads and open the Word files. Excel 4F vehicles, 4F vehicle and Excel 4F vehicle. Click the enable editing and so Excel 4F vehicle is move to the main project step and total step is 12. So assignment title is Excel for a vehicle and project description is in the following project you will assist the vehicle fleet manager to create the data models, pivot table and pivot chart using the pivot power pivot. So we move to the main project step and step number 1 is open the Excel workbook student Excel for a vehicle access downloaded with this project. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the Excel for a vehicles. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is on the data type click the data point from a database and then click the from Microsoft Access database from your download files and import the Microsoft Access database vehicle parts and load the both of the table in the database. Click the get transform data and click the format text from a download file. Click Excel for a vehicle parts CSV and then click the data, choose the comma and general column data from the put data in the existing worksheet in cell A1 on the data and click the data from database and then click the Microsoft Access database. On the data tabs, so go to the data tab, go to the data tabs and click the get data point from database and then click the from a Microsoft Access database from your download files. Import the Microsoft Access database from a vehicle part. Load both the all of the table in the database. So go to the Excel worksheet and go to the data tabs. Go to the get transform data and from Microsoft Access database. Click the downloads and for a vehicle parts click the import and parts and load the both of the tables in the database. Click the select the multiple item and select the supplier and supplier order summary and next is and then click the format text from your download files Excel for a vehicles and then click the get data, use the comma delimiter and general column data models and database and then click the format access database and click the load to, click the table and click OK. So load the both table. So question number 2 is complete. move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is, insert the pivot table using the former data model option. Verify the existing worksheet and sheet 1 display and then click OK, and new worksheet and select the delete row 1 and row 2. Insert the pivot table and using the former data model. So go to the insert tabs and go to the table groups and click the pivot tables. So insert the pivot table using the former data model option. Using the former data model option, from a data model option, and verify existing worksheet and existing worksheets and sheet 1 display and then click OK, and click OK. Add the data model. Insert the pivot table from a data model options and the data model option and existing worksheet in cell 3 and click the add this data model, click OK. So insert the pivot tables from a data model, verify existing worksheet, sheet 1 display and then click OK. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, in the pivot table field pin and then supplier field to the column area and item field to the row area and the year order field to the row area below the item and then quantity field to the value area. In the pivot table fields, add the supplier field to the column area. So add the supplier field to the column area and supplier field to the column area, supplier field to the column area and item field to the row area, item field to the row area. So item field to the row area, item field to the row area, item field to the row area and the year order field, item field to the row area and the year order field to the row area below item. So next is year order field, row area, year order field to below the row area, and next is add the quantity field to the value area, and next is quantity field to the value area, quantity field to the value area. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, change the number format to number and change the decimal places to 0 and then select use the 1000 spectral checkbox and rename the sheet to the vehicle supplier, and change the number format and change the decimal places to 0 decimal places and select the use 1000 spectra and checkbox and rename the sheet to vehicle supplier. Change the number format, value and field setting and click the number format and change the 0 decimal places 0, and next is use the 1000 spectra and click OK. and again okay. And next is rename the sheet is to the vehicle suppliers. So copy the sheet name is vehicle suppliers, right click and rename the worksheet as vehicle suppliers. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is insert the 3D pie charts, move the chart new worksheet name and name the sheet is to vehicle supplier charts. Insert the 3D pie chart. So go to the insert tabs and go to the pivot table analyze and insert the 3D pivot charts. So click the pivot charts and insert the 3D pie charts and click OK and move the chart sheet and name the worksheet name is vehicle supplier charts. So copy the new chart sheet name, right click and move the charts and new chart sheet name is vehicle supplier charts, click OK. So question number 6 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.